Okay, now my voice is audible and the screen is visible, friends. Let me know that.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on and see that things. Okay, na see that things. Okay, so okay, so till now you people seen, right? Till now you people seen. Okay, okay. So let them. Some people still is joining now. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So if we want to make this class, if we want to make this class what persistable class, then which annotation we will apply at the rate entity. Okay, na. So but I don't want a student table in the database. So I want my name, right? So for that, which annotation we will apply at the rate table, right? Inside that, what we will do now, just we will take the attribute name, after then just std, right? std, just I want std name, right? Just I want what std name. Okay, so fine. So I want what to make a student as a primary key. So for that, which annotation we will apply? At the rate id annotation we will apply it. Okay, after applying this one, okay now, so next what we will do now, at the rate column, I want my name. I want my choice name, right? I want what my choice name in the database. So for that, which annotation, which attribute, which annotation we will apply at the rate column name. After then, what is that SID? Just I want SID. After then what? After then what? At the rate column, right? At the rate column, right? At the rate column, inside that, what again, name equal to what, s name. I want my name only. Okay, I want what, my name. Okay, fine. So next one is what, at the rate, what is that, at the rate column, right? At the rate column, after then what, name equal to what, s marks. S marks. Okay na, S marks. Fine. But here we, in this attribute, I have need to perform many to many operation. Okay na. So till now, whatever things we understand, frequently we did till now, the things we completed in the previous what relations also, right? But now here the story is different. Okay na. Now here is the story is the different only, right? So if we want, okay, now come here, right? Come here. And which annotation I said that, to make the relation, to perform the many to many relation, many to many annotation we have needed. Okay na. So to perform what, so far to perform what, that many to many operation, where on the top of, right, on the top of what, the set of course attribute, we will apply what, at the rate many to many annotation. Okay, so but after then, what is that, I explained, right? Come here. To generate third table, which annotation we have need? At the rate join table, right? At the rate join table. Okay, so come. So I have need what, at the rate, to perform what, at the rate join table, right? So now let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. See boss, here directly, let's take new, what is that, has it, right? Yes, directly I'm taking. I will add it. I will add it at the directly in the testing class, right? At the time of testing, I'm taking what, directly implementation class also here only. So to make this attribute as what? To make this attribute as what? Many to many relation. Which annotation we will apply? Many to many annotation. Okay, na. So but I want to where foreign key we will generate the third table. For that, which annotation? Which annotation we will apply it, which annotation? At the rate table, right? at the rate table, we will apply that annotation what at the rate table. Okay, so now okay, at the rate join table, sorry, at the rate join table, at the rate join table. Inside that what we will do now, okay, what I said, that name attribute, right, to give the name of the third table. So just I want to give student, means std student. After then crs course table, crs, because this table is combine of what, two tables, right? So crs, then what is the tab, just I given the third table name, okay now. So after then what is now comma, okay. So now comma, but what is that, I have need to join two foreign key row, right? To in the one table we have need to join two row, come here, two row, where the third table, two rows, right? Two foreign keys, so we have need to generate two rows, right? Two rows. For that, which annotation we will take, which annotation we will take, at the rate join columns, right? At the rate attribute, not annotation, this is the attribute, at the rate, then what is that, sorry, join columns, right? Join columns. After then what is that, I have need to generate what, I have need to generate this row, right? This row based on this one, okay na. So for that, which annotation is there, at the rate join column, right? At the rate join column, okay. So which annotation we will use, join, at the rate join column, right? At the rate join column, okay, fine, I take in. Inside that at the rate join column, I'm taking here, okay now. Inside that what we will do, name equal to, just I'm taking what, student, std foreign key, means fk, student foreign key, okay. Now comma, okay na. But here what is come here, but this is the what, child table, child table we are inversing in the what, student table or not. So means so in the third table we are, so for that what attribute we will take, inverse join column, right? So for that, which attribute is we will use, inverse what, join columns, inverse join columns attribute we will take. After then what is that, at the rate join column, right? Again we will take join column attribute only. Inside that we will take name equal to what, course na, crs fk, means crs foreign key, just I'm taking what, this only, right? So now here see, so all annotation means all things is completed, right? All things is completed now. So if you just want to see that, right, how our hibernate, means our spring worm generating the table. So we can see that, right? We can see that third table will generate, third table will generate. Here there is no table, right? There is no table, but let's see that third table also will generate, okay na. Third table also will generate. So okay, so I want to, because multiple already others, okay na? Okay, no problem, let's run the application na. Let's run the application and we will see that. For this one also, address course, address employee model, for this table also will generate, because this project is there in the this application only, right? But we will concentrate on what, course table and a student table. And third table is what, std crs table, right? Our work is today these three table only, but for address and employee also table will generate, because we already completed, and even we are doing the work in the same project only, right? So because of that it will generate, okay na. So but without data, these three table will generate, but without data, because we are not still injecting what data, right, in the table. So but let's run the application, and we will see the structure of what, table, structure of table. Means student table will create with the sid, yes name, as mark. Course also will generate cid, cname, and cost. And std crs table will generate with the row of stdfk crsfk, like this. Just structure will generate in the table, right? And we will inject the data and we will see that, okay now. But let's run the application, let's run the application and we will see that. Okay, come in the test class, open the test class. Okay, so now I'm running this application, right? Now I'm running this application, and observe the console. See, the things is going good. There is no error, right? So now come. No, some error is there. Okay, no problem. I know that why the error is come. Don't worry about that. Okay, now refresh the table, right? Refresh the database. See, multiple tables is created, but our table is course means CRS, right? Course table is there. After then, what is that? This one STD CRS table is there, and another one is what STD is there. Okay, little bit confusion is there now here. Let's do one thing. Okay, now let's do one thing. Come in the student. I don't want this one. Okay, now I want a student only, direct student table only. Name I want what? Student only. Okay, so after then what another one more module is there, right? One more module is there. Which one? Course. I want direct course name only. I don't want CRS because multiple table is there. The confusion is there, right? Confused. I don't want to make you people confused, right? I don't want to make you people confused. Now run again the application. Now run the application again. Taking time. Okay. Now fine. Okay. So now come here again, refresh the database. See, already that is the not deleted. Okay, I'll drop it. Previous was not gone, right? Course and STD, this one also I'm dropping this one. Yes, our table is which one? Student, right? After then course table. This two table is what our, this one is the sorry, student is the parent class, and the course means parent class table, and this one is what? Child class table. Okay na? And this see, yes, yeah, std crs is what? Third table. So I'm opening just one. Okay na? See that. See, without data. See, yes id, yes marks, and yes name. Okay, yes id, yes marks, and yes name. And come here in here course, right? Course also view the table. How many cid, c cost, and c name? Three fields is there or not? Come in the diagram. How many? sid, s marks, and yes name, and s marks. Cid, c name, three fields are there na? And two field will generate, which become what? Both table primary key will become in the third table foreign key. So for that another third table will generate. Come here, come in the database, right? Where this one std crs. Now view it. Two is generated or not? sid, stdfk, and crsfk, right? So now let's fulfill the data also, right? Let's fulfill the data also, and we will see that, right? We will see that how we can perform what? Many to many operation, right? So just now we are there in the last step. We are there in the last step, what? Of what? Many to many relation operation. Let's see that, and let's we complete those things also. Okay now, let's complete that things also. Okay, so if we want to inject the data, first what we have need to perform all right, dao operation, because we have need to save data, right? We have need to save the data in the database. Okay now, so where we will first we will go inside that what? dao, right? Dao interface, right? dao interface. So there we will decide it, because the two classes is there, student and a course. Student and a course is there, right? So now where the package is there, that package, where the package? Model, service test, service, and this one. No, not service, dao. Yeah, this one. Okay na? We will open the dao interface, right? We will open the dao interface. Inside that we will write two methods, right? We will write two methods. Public void what? Save what is that? Student, 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 as what? As many, many, many to many. many op, just I'm giving what operation, right? Inside that, what we will do now, just we will pass what, just we will take the argument of what, student, student, student table, right? Means student model class. My system got hanged. Hey, what happened? Okay, so now std, just I'm taking the argument is what, std. Okay, fine. Now another one more method we will take, what, public what, void save course, right? course, course as what, as many to many, right? Many op operation, right? Inside that, what we will do now, course crs, just okay na, crs, just I'm taking what, uh kagiso. Okay, don't worry, I will share the git url in our group. WhatsApp group is there, in that you can download from there, okay na. I will, after completing this one, I will share that what url in the, what our WhatsApp group, you can download from there, okay na. I will provide each and everything, friends. I will not hide anything, okay na. Whatever things, for how much I have knowledge, I will share to you people, okay na. And even I'm not playing any strategy also behind it. Don't think about that, I'm playing any strategy, okay na. I'm simple person, okay na. I don't want to play with the people, and even I'm not giving the permission to play others also with me, okay na. Because I have that much knowledge who is playing with me and who is the staying with me a good, okay na. So okay, I will provide, don't worry, each and every support is there. If you are serious about your things, okay na, if you serious about your life, I will help you. How much I can help, I will help you, that's it. Okay, so now its implementation, where we will go now, its implementation, alt shift s plus v, okay na. Alt shift s plus v, we overwritten here what, unimplemented methods, right? Implemented methods. So now we will write the logic here, okay na. In the dao implementation class, okay na. In the dao implementation class, what we will do, ht hibernate template dot what, save, right? Save, we will pass here, what is that, std, okay na. Std, fine. So fine, okay, now come here in this one only, in this one only, okay. So now, okay, fine. So std, sorry, ht dot what, std, right? Sorry, ht dot what, save method we will call from the what, hibernate template. Now srs, right? Srs, just I'm passing the argument, what, which argument, course argument, okay, fine. The dao layer operation is completed. Now we have need to go again what, business class, right? Business class means service interface, right? So again come to service interface, right? Here only. So here, what is that, come public void what, public void save what, student, student, what is the students, right? Students one to many, many, many to many, right? Many to many, okay now. So here what we will do now, student, student, student argument we will pass sts, just yes, just I'm taking as name only, okay. One more method we will generate, public what, public void save course as a many, right? He inside that, what we will do now, course, course argument we will take c, okay, fine. Now after then, where if we want to create the object of this class, means if we want to use this method, abstract method, where we will go, its implementation class, right? Its implementation class, we will override that method, okay. So upper alt shift s plus v, after overriding the method, what we will do now, come here, we will write, so the logic. But I in the first day I said, for the non-select and method, which annotation we will apply, at the rate transactional annotation on the top of what, t RA, transactional, on the top of what, the method. Okay, so now fine, and here also both method is what, transactional, non-select operation only, right? Saving the data means non-select. Select operation, then we have make what as a what, read only true, otherwise no need. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so come here. So what is that? We will write the dao dot what, dao dot what, save we will call that method or not, save many to many, right? Save where, save many to one, many to this one course, this one the course student, this one save student as a many to many, yeah, this one only. Okay na, here we will pass that argument s, method argument. Okay fine, we will come here also. What we will do now, dao dot what, save, dao dot save. Okay now, dao of save, right? Course, we have need to save the course only, right? So see, okay fine, the service layer operation also completed now. So but we have need what, to control, to inject the data using this method or not. So what we will do now, let's now, here I'm going to give clear picture of and even conclusion of this application, right? Even the conclusion of this application, let's understand. Okay na, where we will write, come to component, right? Component, this one, right? Com dot rk dot component. Fine, open the component class. Okay na, open the component class. I'm commenting previous method, whatever methods are there now, I commented it. Okay na, I'm going to use our this one for the previous testing. Okay na, so now okay, so let's decide one method, right? Let's decide one method. What is that? Public what, public void, right? Public void many to many, many to many op- operation just op I'm taking, right? This is the method, right? We are going to perform it up in here only, right? So I said that okay, come, now I'm going to give what to you people, real conclusion of the application, right? Real conclusion of this application. Now this is the last stage, we are there in the many to many relation of what, application in the last stage. Okay, last stage, and we will see that the things as a clearly and a clear picture. Okay, so okay fine, so now okay, what we will do now, so but I want what, multiple courses, right? We have what, multiple courses, right? Multiple courses. So for that, what we will do now, create the object cours, course object. I'm creating course one equal to new cours, course, right? Course one. Okay na, course one. See, observe the things here only, because many to many conclusion will come here in the testing only, right? In the testing only. Think about that course one. Okay na, c1 dot what, set. I'm setting the course, right? Setting the course. Okay na, setting the course id, just I'm giving what, let's see the based on the what, our diagram only, right? Course id I want 201, right? I'm giving what, 201. Okay, so okay, now fine, c1. Okay na, c1 dot what, set, c1 dot what, set name. I'm giving what, core java, right? Core java. Okay fine, core java. Fine, so now c1 dot what, set what is that, set what is that, cost. Core java cost, I'm giving what, 100 rupees. Just I'm giving 100 rupees only, not 100 rupees friend. Core java cost is too much. Okay, but just for the analyzing the things I'm giving. Okay na, so means based on this one, in the table come, in the table which one, this row will become or not, this row will become. Okay na, so in the table this sorry, this column will become, right? This, no, this is the row, right? Yeah, so this row will become. Okay na, so this row will become. Okay, one object is stored, right? Think about that as a java only, java only, one object is stored. Okay, come again in the eclipse id. Okay, so now okay fine, again what I'm doing, that I'm just copying this one. Okay, now I'm just copying this. Okay fine, this one is the course2 object, right? Just I'm giving what, course2 object, reference name I'm just changing. Okay, so course2 object, this course id is 202, and this one is what, advanced java. Just I'm giving what, ADV, advanced Java, right? Advanced Java, its fees is what, 200. Okay, fine. So one more course I'm taking what, third course I'm taking what, core Java. See, course number three, course number third, right? This is what, course number third, fine. So course number third is what, 203. This is the Oracle database, Oracle database. This course is what, Oracle database, fine. Okay now. So now, okay, fine. This course, the course fees is just, I'm taking what, 50 rupees. Just the course is what, 50 rupees. Okay. So based on this three object, what is that? Three row will become or not in the database. Okay now. So this object means this table is completed based on the compare to what, Java object. Okay now. So now again, what we have need to do now? Come here. Where it is? Yeah. Now, okay, we have need to create the object of students, right? We have need to create the students object also. Okay, so come here. Okay, now. So come now. Student, student one, right? Student one, new, student, student, right? Student, fine. Okay na, fine. So student one, okay na, student one, three student is there, right? Student one and student two and student three. Okay na, because in the table also I taken three student. Okay, so now student three is there, right? Now this one is the second student, this one is the third student, fine. So now I'm setting the data, right? So let's see that. Here I'm going to give what, many to many, one to one conclusion, friends. Okay, many to many and one to one conclusion. Okay, so let's see that. Okay now. So s1 dot what, set, s1 dot set, right? S1 dot what, set. I did not generate a setter getter method. I'm performing what in the student class. Come here. Come generate setter getter also, right? Alt shift S plus R. Select all now. Okay. Alt shift S plus S. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, na? Okay. Come in the component class. Okay. So now what is that? Set, right? Set, what is that? Come here. Come inside that. Come inside that. Okay, na? Come inside that std id. Just I'm giving what, std id. What is the student id I given? 101, right? 101, 102, 103. Okay na, I'm giving what, 101. Okay, so name I and second one is what, s1 dot what, name, set name, right? Set name, s1 dot what, set name, set name, set name. Okay na, set name. Okay na, set name, fine. Set name. Okay, set name, I'm giving what, set name. Okay, set name, what is that? Pankaj, right? Pankaj. Okay, fine. Pankaj only. Okay, now s1 dot what, set marks, right? Set marks. Okay, fine. So what is the marks I taken here in the, here? Just 7.5, right? 7.5 I taken, right? 7.5. Just give the 7.5. Fine. So now, okay, 7.5. Okay, so now one student is there. But student means what? Pankaj is doing two courses. See in the diagram also, Pankaj is doing two courses. Which one? He is doing core Java also and advanced Java also. So for that, what we will do now? Okay, so for that, let's see that we will set the course also, right? So s1 dot first get, right? Get, what is that? S marks. No, s course object, right? After then add in the collection class, add is there, right? In that, which course is doing? He is doing two courses, right? He is doing two courses. Which course? Core Java also doing, advanced Java also. Then we will pass this reference, right? We will pass this reference in the set collection. Okay, so again means one time, means he one time we passed this, right? One time we passed it means 101, foreign key will become, right? So now come here again, come and see that. Again what we will do now, again we will call the same method, right? Again we will call the same method and we will pass it. Okay, so s1 dot what, get std object, right? And here what we will do now, he is doing second course also, right? Second course also, second course also, right? Which id is what, 202 and 201, both courses Pankaj is doing. Okay, so now fine. So now let's third come to what, come to student s2, means second student, right? Second student, come to second student. Okay, so second student is 102 and the name is Padma, and her marks is what, 1 8 8098, right? 8.8 what, 98. Okay, so now for that, okay na, s2 dot s2 dot what set, s2 dot what set, s2 dot set 102 102, right? 102, her id is what, 102. After then what, s2 dot what set, set what name, right? Name is what, Padma. Name is what, Padma. After then what, now s2 dot what set, s2 dot what set her mark is what, her marks is what, 8.8.85, right? 8.85 98. Okay, 98. Okay, so now fine. So after then, she is doing just only one course, right? She is doing what? Only one course only, right? Only one course only. Only one course only, right? Only one course only. Okay, fine. So if she now s2 dot what? Now call the get method. Call the get method, right? Get marks, no, get crs object. After then add that object, right? Add. She is doing only one course. Which course? She is doing only Oracle database, right? She is doing only one data Oracle database, where the Oracle course number third, the course number third is there, and the Oracle database id is 1203, right? So what we will do now, just we will pass that course, right? We will pass that course in the what, Padma object, right? Padma means student second object. Okay na? So just because he is doing only one course, but he is doing two courses. See, he's Pankaj is doing two courses. Because of that, I added two time in two courses, right? But she is doing only one courses, right? She is doing only one courses. So because of that, I'm adding. But student third also there. Student third is doing three courses, all courses, right? Student third. So just let's see here, right? Student third is there, and student third will become here what, foreign key, and this one what is that, 103, right? But he is doing three courses, both all courses, right? He is doing all courses. For that we will assign that what, 202 202 and 201 201 and what, 20 202 and 20203, right? He's doing all courses, right? He's doing all courses as a parallelly, right? What is this? Yeah, think about that. Just I'm writing here 201 and 20202 and what, 203. He's doing what, he's doing three courses. Okay na, he's doing three courses, right? By seeing that this id we will understand, oh, he's doing three courses. So for that, let's add it. Okay, so let's add it. Okay, let's add it and we will see that. Okay now, so now what we will do now, okay, s3 dot what set, s3 dot set id, right? S3 dot set id, in the id, what is that, we will 103. His id is where come here, right? 103, fine 103, fine. Okay na, id is what, 103, fine. Now s3 dot what, s3 dot what set, s3 dot what set what is it, name, right? Name, just I'm taking my name only, right? Ravi, no, Ravi I will not take. I taken already name, right? Raj, I already taken Raj. Okay, so I'm taking what, Raj, I'm taking this name Raj. Okay, so now, okay, fine. S3 dot what set what is the, this one set marks, just marks. I'm giving what I don't want to make anyone angry, right? So I 6.0, right? 6.0. So okay, So 6, just 6.0, 6.0. Her mark is 6.0. Okay. So now, but see, but Raj is doing what? Raj is doing what? Three courses, right? Three courses. So for that, what S1 dot what? Get, right? S1 dot what? Get, what is that? What is that? Marks, this object, right? Now add what? Add. Now add. Okay, now I'm adding the objects, right? I'm adding the object. But she means Raj is doing three courses, right? One, two, three courses, right? Three time we will call the same method, right? Same method. In that, what we will do now? Course 1 also Raj is doing, course 2 also doing, and course 3 also doing, right? Course 3 also is doing. So now, based on that, right, like this is the based on the many to many operation we are performing as a Java code, right? So now, but we have need to call that method also. We have need to save this data in the database. Okay, we have need to save the data. So for that, what is that service? Just we will call the service dot what? Service dot what? Service dot what? Save, right? Save which method we will call? Save many to one. No, many to many student, right? This one method. After then another method again, also we will call it, right? Another method, service dot what? Save. Service dot save what? Service dot save course, right? One to many I need what? Many to many need, this one course, this one. Okay, na? These two method we will call it. Okay, these two method we will call. Okay, so in that, what we will do now? We will call the student course multiple time. Okay, na? 1 minute. We will call this method multiple time, right? How many time? One, two, three, right? We will call this method three times because we are going to store three object, right? Course 1, 2, 3. Sorry, control delete. Okay, three times. So here what we will do now? Course 1, course 2, course 3. I passed. Okay, course 3. But student also three object, right? So three time we will pass here only, right? Okay, okay. So here what? S1, here what? S2, a student, and S3. All okay. Now things is completed. Shall we test it and we will see the result as expected? The things is working or not? As expected, the things is working or not? So let's come to test class. Okay, na? Let's come to test class and call that method. Okay, na? So for that, what is that EMP reference? Let's take EMP dot what? EMP dot what? Which method we will call? Many to many, right? Many to many operation. Now let's run the application. Hey, just only 1 minute is there. Okay, na? 1 minute meeting is there. After then this meeting will stop suddenly, so I don't want. Let's wait 1 minute. Okay, na? Let's wait 1 minute, and then next when we will again connect, na, then we will see the result. And because the flow will disturb till now. If anybody having any doubt, unmute yourself and ask, right? Ask, I will tell. I'll ask, I will tell each and everything. Okay, na? Till now, anybody having any doubt, let me know that, friend.
No, Ravi.
Now the things is clear. Now yesterday,
Yes.
yesterday I'm not able to concentrate because of that construction is happening, right?